Hello everyone, and this is Edmund Mindaros channel and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to show or hide the bookmarks bar in Google Chrome web browser. A quick info about bookmarks in web browser let you save shortcuts to useful web page and links that you may want to revisit at a later time. Most web browser features a bookmark bar to display your most recent bookmarks for easier access. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. So ang next step ay open lang natin ang ating Chrome web browser. So dito lang sa Chrome homepage natin ay makikita mo dito sa taas ang mga bookmark website and page link kung paano ba natin i-show or hide. So dito lang sa upper right side, click mo lang yung tatlong dot and then select mo lang yung settings. Dito sa settings ay kailangan mo lang select yung appearance and then dito lang sa appearance, kailangan mo lang select yung show bookmarks bar. Ito siya. So, kung gusto mo itong i-hide or show, so kailangan mo lang itong i-turn off or i-turn off mo siya. So, click na natin yan. Ayan. So, makita mo dito na na-hide na po yung mga bookmarks website and page link. Kung gusto mo namang i-turn on, so click mo lang ito. Ayan. So, napakasimple lang mga kaibigan kung paano natin gawin ang show or hide the bookmarks bar in Google Chrome. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment down below. Thank you guys and see you at my next tutorial.